Are you struggling with allergies? I hear this all the time. People are struggling with sneezing, mucus, itchy eyes, itchy throat, sinus headaches, just completely miserable. And they think that if they move states, that it's going to solve their problem, or move cities, or move homes. That is not going to solve their problem. The problem is you. You need to actually heal yourself. And so I highly encourage you to reach out to me. I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner, and I help your body rebalance so that it does not think that pollen is a threat. It's not a threat. You should not be struggling with your allergies. Come and talk to me, and we could sort it out for you.